guys, hope you're all good. I wanted to share with you an intro riff from one of my songs. It's got a folky bluegrass kind of feel to it. Let's check it out. So first of all, this riff is in open D. So we're going to tune all the strings, all 6 strings, to the point where we can just strum like that, and it's the sound of a big open D chord. So we've got D on the 6th string, then A, and D again, and the 3rd string is F sharp, then A, and D again on the 1st string. So this riff is a big mixture of like melody and rhythm and picking and harmony and all kinds of stuff all thrown in together. So let me try and break it down for you. So there's our first little bit. We'll start with the melody. So the first bit here. So that's 3 to 5 on the 3rd string with a hammer on. And then we're going to do that same kind of hammer on here from 1 to 3. Like that. Then we've got this fast little 30-second note riff that kind of flies in at the end there. Slow that right down. It's 1, 3, 1, open, and then open again. So you just pick once. That's all just legato there. And then pick again. There we go. So then we're going to move up to the 4th string, and we have open 2, another hammer on. Slide that up to 4, back down to 2, with a little ghost note slide there, and open. The last little bit is on the 5th string. We hammer on again, open to 2. And then there's a little bluesy riff here on the 4th string. Okay, so that's open, 2, 3, back to 2, open. Okay? One more time. Okay, so that's kind of all over the D chord, I guess. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use Travis picking to kind of give it a bit of forward motion and just help that melody along. So, first little bit, I'm going to go hammer on, thumb on the bass note, and then middle finger on the upbeat there. On the 1st string. Same here. Then we're going to put in this really fast little 30-second note bit. Kind of resolve it to there. I want to think of that as one complete phrase there. So here, sliding up to the 4th string, sorry, the 4th fret on the 4th string. Little drone there, using the open 3rd string. Harmonising with the first string. And the last little bit. love the sound of that, like mixing a little bit of minor in there as well. Just to give it a bit of edge. Next thing we're going to do is go to this chord here, which I like to think of as a 4 chord when I'm playing in open D. So if we were in open D, for example, this would kind of like be a G chord, a very loose G chord. So the first finger is on the 1st fret, 3rd string, and the middle finger is on the 2nd fret, 5th string. Really sort of like let the Travis picking take over there on the right hand while we're static on the left hand, and then back to D like that, and again really letting the Travis picking doing the work here. The left hand, we don't need to do anything. So there you go. Have a little go, and I'll see you in the next one.